Hello traders, D7 here, and I have a very exciting announcement at the end of this video. Let's take a look at the markets. Right here we have the down 165, 166 points. We still have another 10 minutes before the close, but I have a webinar I want to attend, so I'm doing this a little pre-market here. So the NASDAQ down 19 points, so we got a 2% drop on the Dow, 1% drop on the NAS, S&P down almost 2%, a 2% drop on the Russells, a 6% rise, which is 3 times that of the drop, so we're up to 32 points on the VIX, which substantiates the drop that we're seeing right now in the markets. So here is the S&P 500, and we had a big explosion yesterday, and today, Wednesday, we stayed here as a doji all day long, and then all of a sudden in the last 2 hours of the day, just a big drop in the markets, and we're continuing to drop right now as we speak. What has my attention is we did break the halfway mark. Halfway mark was 897 area or so on this big one. Right now we're below that. So in the next 10 minutes, if we rally back north above that, that would be support. But we broke down through this big trend line that we have here and this new trend line that we draw. It busted through both of them. Long and short of it is we're basing sideways. We're building a base or a little triangle type formation as we just keep churning here. And let me show you something here on the MACD. The MACD, look at this. We're barely in the negative, barely. I mean, we're at zero. Look at this consolidation that we're getting. It's kind of a symmetrical triangle type pattern here. This is saying there's indecision in the markets. We have a lot of unsold homes out there in the markets right now. I mean, it's a burden to the markets as we speak. And interest rates are starting to climb, so there's fear starting to come in. So let's just see what happens here. Now, the exciting news that I wanted to share with you is simply this. The live chat for FTV is about to unveil itself. Oh boy, I may be a little ahead of myself here, but I wanted you to be the first to know about it. It looks like, knock on wood, that this Friday we will unleash a very powerful, very robust chatting platform for all of you to enjoy, to talk with other traders in real time. And I'll tell you this, both Matador and myself will be spending a lot of time in the chat room on Friday, this Friday when we go live. So come in, say hi, chat with us. And I'm going to put the first 100 people that come in will get a spot. I have a cap on it. If I feel like I need to open it up later, I will. But right now, first 100 people that come in will get a spot. And once you get a spot, as long as you stay active every 30 minutes or so, you will continue to be getting live trading information and feed from all the people from around the world. And furthermore, let me say this. Only registered users will even have access to it. If you go to freetradingvideos.com right now and look at the main navigation bar there at the top, you will see a new link. It says coming soon chat. Well, the coming soon will soon be taken off, and we will have a live chat, and you will have access to that if and only if you are a registered user. So for all you lurkers out there, don't haste. Let this be the time that you go to the forums, or you go there on the main page and you go to log in and say not a member yet, and then become a member. Pick your personal username and your password, and then you will get an email, and on that email just click the activate link and you will be set up with your own username and password. And for the first time ever, you will be able to interact in live time with the analysts, with Matador and myself, and the moderators, and with each other. So, very excited about that, and I'm glad to be sharing that with everybody. Until next time, we will catch you at freetradingvideos.com.